Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just walking around here just trying to find a little lipstick. Okay, before we keep going, I need to touch my lipstick up. All right. Now we may continue. Okay, I'm so excited you guys. So this video is actually going to be a DIY. In one of my last vlogs, I told you guys, well, I didn't tell you guys, I took you guys thrifting with me and we picked up a bunch of different vases, super inexpensive. And then I also went to a Michael's craft store and I picked up a bunch of different like fake florals. They look so pretty. By the way, I didn't even mention that I ended up going to Whole Foods and I found these. So this is called Bunny's Tail. And I mean, how perfect does that go with the whole vibe? I do want to try to get my hands on some pampas grass, but that I'm going to have to order. So for now, we're just gonna work with what we have there. Right, Babs? Do you want to be in the video? He always wants to be in the videos. Every time I'm vlogging, he wants to come and did you just burp? Oh, I need my iPad. This has definitely become one of my favorite spots to just come and talk to you guys. Before we jump into the DIY and explain everything, I do want to mention that this portion of the video is sponsored by Audible, which I'm so grateful for because I'm actually a huge fan of Audible. You guys know that I use them every single month. I pay for my subscription. I love listening to audiobooks. I love discovering new things to do on Audible, and I'm just so excited to share this part with you guys. For those of you who don't know, Audible is the leading provider for spoken word entertainment and audiobooks. They have so many audiobooks for you to listen to: bestsellers, celebrity memoirs, self-development, which is one of my favorite topics ever. And they don't only have audiobooks, they have expanded and offer so much in their membership. They have guided meditations you can follow, which I personally love. You also have daily access to the top news like the New York Times, the Washington Post, the Wall Street Journal. By the way, if you are completely new to Audible and you are about to become a member for the first time, take advantage of this deal. You can actually text Melissa F to 500-500, or you can go to audible.com/MelissaF. That's going to get you a free trial of Audible for 30 days and you'll be able to try one of their titles for free. Give that a try and discover what else Audible has to offer. Something else that I love that Audible is offering right now is Audible Sleep. What it is a soothing audio experience. It's kind of like a meditative experience that just calms your mind, and I'm able to fall asleep effortlessly after that. You can check that out on audible.com/sleep. Amazing, guys, amazing. I cannot get enough of Audible. I share it on my vlogs and on my Instagram stories all the time. I always let you guys know what I'm listening to next. Let's go to my library. So right now I'm listening to You Are the Guru, and this is by one of my favorite authors, Gabrielle Bernstein. Well, this audiobook in particular is only available on Audible. I just really enjoy listening to something positive when I'm busy doing something around the house, which that's what I'm about to be doing. It just puts me at peace, and it's kind of like a meditative experience. Once again, if you want to try Audible for the very first time, you can go to audible.com/MelissaF, or you can text Melissa F to 500-500 and you can start your free trial right now. All right, so the reason I bring Audible up is because, like I said, I'm about to do this DIY project. I'm so excited, you guys. And whenever I do something like this, and whenever I'm working or doing some kind of project or cleaning around the house, I always have my Audible on. I have so much on my plate right now, and I love that I can just press play on one of my audiobooks and enjoy them. So that is what I'm about to do. I have the Audible app on my iPad as well. The cool thing about Audible is that if you have it on multiple devices, like your phone, your iPad, it all syncs together. So you know how I press play on my phone? Well, once I press play on my iPad, it's going to ask me if I want to continue where I left off on the other device. So that is, I don't know why, that I love that it does that, because it makes my life so much easier, because sometimes I listen to it on my phone, like when I'm in my car, and when I'm in my house, I listen to it on my iPad. I was about to start my DIY and I'm like, yes, I'm ready. I have everything I need, and I realized I need to also get some kind of plastic or paper bowl. I don't want to mess up the bowls that I have because they're glass and then the paint's not gonna come out. So I have to run to the store now and get the paper plates. I am back from the store. I actually ended up having some plastic cups, so I didn't get the bowls because I went to one store and they actually didn't have any. So long story short, I'm back and I'm about to start DIY. What I'm doing right now is cleaning all of the vases. I have my glass cleaner from Method, and then I have this multi-purpose cleaning rag. So I'm cleaning all of them. I just cleaned this one. I have to do the rest of these. And then we'll get started.
I didn't yet know what the solution was, but simply surrendering the block gave me hope. When I invited
guys, these are the 3 different colors I will be using. These are all acrylic paint. This one is called Burnt Sienna. This one is Portrait Pink. And then this one is Unbleached Titanium. So basically what I'm going to be doing is mixing a little bit of baking powder in with the paint. I'm just going to be kind of eyeing it until I get the desired texture that I want. And yeah, I'm using plastic utensils for everything, and then I bought this set of paint brushes from Michael. So I'm gonna get started with this vase right here. Alright guys, it's getting a little bit dark because the light, I'm losing the light from outside, but here are my painted vases. I'm not sure how I feel about the colors yet. Like this pink and this sienna color I'm not loving, but I love this like clay kind of like color. So I did 3 of them in this color. So what I'm gonna do is let them dry overnight, and then tomorrow I'll see how they look, and then we'll possibly do a second coat. But these are already drying, for instance, and it's already looking so cool. And then this is the one I literally just finished painting, so it still looks pretty, like the texture still looks pretty light. All right, little update. This is the morning after. I love the way the vases came out. My favorite's the cream colored ones, and this one actually surprised me. I actually do like it. It looks very fall. This color I don't like. So I'm actually going to be repainting this one in the future. I just have to figure out what color I want to do. I'm thinking something more in like the brown family because I feel like it'll be more cohesive. But yeah, this is how they came out. Look how pretty they look. I am done with my project and I love the way it came out. So the pink vase, the other one, I decided to just take out because I just felt like that color didn't go with it, and I kind of like how these three look. I love that they're all different shapes and sizes. I ended up using pretty much all the flowers except one. Kind of looks like a little forest, and I love how they're all different heights. I bent some of them in order to give them different heights. Like these two I bent. And I kind of just like how there's just so many layers, and like this one is trickling over this one. Over here, I put the smaller vase. I'm going to be adding something else to kind of hide this. So this is where she is going to be living, and I just put a single flower here. And I'll probably switch it up and maybe put a real one, but right now, this is where she's living and she looks great. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you take on this project and create some vases at home, let me know. I want to see what you guys come up with, and I want to see how you guys added to your home decor. And yeah, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.